A little bit, and we're gonna put these videos on.
Okay. This is.
Why don't you just paint the front, and then we'll go put this on YouTube.
Okay. Hello guys, I'm the assistant. The boss is taking the video right now. So let's go. Sorry that this is a boring video.
What are you making, a window?
You'll see.
It's a nice birdhouse.
I didn't even finish.
Some bird will be happy.
Yeah.
I got mommy in case you're making all kinds of noise.
Don't say my sister's name. Just call her big sister.
Your big sister's making all kinds of noise. I know. Is it annoying you?
Yeah. She's like, I can't believe that I'm 7 and my like big sister is 19. Pretty crazy, huh?
Pretty crazy. Okay, well, what are you gonna tell everybody for your video?
Bye.
Oh, look and say something nice.
Bye.
Alright, we had fun building this. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye-bye.